Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can restock the fall shops in Grow a Garden. So as you can see, it says contribute to fall bloom to restock. Right now, the harvest spirit needs vegetable plants, so like corn, tomatoes, beanstalks, Romanesco included. You're going to harvest your plants, and then I'll just select feed all my plants to the harvest spirit. Okay, I need 20 more, so let's go back to my garden and see what we have. I don't have a lot of vegetable plants. Okay, I think these just grew, so I'm just going to kind of harvest a lot, and hopefully I will have enough now to restock these shops. Feed all my plants. There we go. So you will need 500 points. Go talk to the shops and you'll see that it's been stocked. Obviously not all at once, just the same as like every shop. It's only going to like show a few items here and there, but just purchase the one that you think is the most important ones. But yeah, I already got the space squirrel. I just need the like maple tree, and I need to hatch these eggs to get the rare pet. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.